Good evening.
Massage, sir?
Massage? Have massage here? No. No, I just take video
Only
here.
local. You want, sir? We have a daily, monthly.
What have?
Daily, monthly we have.
Daily, monthly?
Yes.
New rates already? Because before I take video here in COVID time, during
yes,
COVID.
I know, sir. Only this is the management or before management are big dummies.
Oh, can I talk?
Yes, the lady is.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, siya yan. Yung vlogger.
Good evening. Hello.
Hi sir,
Good
how
evening.
are you?
I want to know, maybe have new rates here because
New rates.
yes,
What room do you like?
I just want to show to my subscriber because before I filming here in COVID time. That's why I want to now check maybe different rates now, maybe high or maybe low price.
Oh, still the same.
Still the same.
The mini standard room is still 8,000, but I think we don't have any available room for it as of now because we have someone who will be coming this January.
So January is full booking already for monthly.
Not really, but we also have available, but the only room that we have is the bigger one.
Big room. How much big room?
I think it's 17.
17,000 monthly. It's including electric power or not, or need technician.
Just the room.
Room.
Because, it has a one bedroom and also have a kitchen and.
So it's big room. Need pay additional for internet, or internet have already?
Yeah, and the internet is free.
Free internet.
So we-
Parking available space for park car or motor.
Yes.
Available.
Burger also. It's free also.
Free. Okay. So this is same rooms, same rates as before.
Yes, sir. But
Okay.
we have new memo.
New.
We have 10,000 deposit and then 5,000 deposit for the electric and water. That's
Need-
the
need-
security deposit. But upon the move out, you can get the deposit.
Okay. So now family room is 20,000 peso, deluxe 15, and standard is 12, but 50,
Yes.
but not available because full booking already. Which email need to for booking here? Which email? How to people communication?
We have our card. We
This
have
is-
our contact details here, email, and our address. And you can also come back here, walk in, and ask our front desk.
Okay. So this have all information. Okay. So
You can also check our Facebook page because we have the photos in there.
Okay, Facebook. Okay, thank you very much. I already filming before rooms, that's why I already know rooms is the same. Okay, thank you very much. I just walk and I want to stop here. Maybe something new have.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you.
Come back, sir.
Thank you. Bye. This is TikTok. Filipino people like TikTok. My wife always dance with phone the same. I know.
Stress out.
Yes, it's better. Okay, thank you. Bye. Thank you.